To change keyboard language on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, start by opening this Galaxy Wearable application, open Watch Settings, and now you will have to scroll for General Settings. Now move into the keyboard, the Samsung keyboard, and select Input Languages. Then click to Manage Languages. And over here, if I want to enable another language, like for example this one, I have to click on the switcher. Now I have to go back, and now if I'm gonna open the keyboard on my watch, so I'm gonna quickly show you. For example, we can do this maybe in the settings or in the Google Play Store. Yeah, it will be better if we do this in the Play Store, where it will be search bar. So we have to click over here, and now as you can see, let's get rid of it. We have to click here on this one, and we can simply change the language. So this is actually easy way how we can change it, but it's not that easy to actually point into this one, but after a few tries you will get used to it.